detain you at the moment, okay? You have tiny wrists. To do that, then you're going to have to sit there until...
Is this going to be, like, on my record forever?
No.
I'll get the arrow one back here for you, okay?
It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm going to be changed out of my clothes, too. And everything.
On a late night in Florida, an 18-year-old South Carolina resident faces her first criminal arrest for shoplifting. The incident raises questions about interstate arrest procedures and the consequences of minor offenses. This footage demonstrates how quickly poor judgment can escalate into serious legal consequences.
Well, hello. 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 Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so, these are the items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. This is her ID.
No, this is my bag. Her purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggum.
Third district.
I do like 324 Lake 65 South Carolina deal. Family.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Has she ever been in trouble before?
No, she almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
okay.
She has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
All right. She's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18. Mom, correct?
Yes.
Alright. We'll read you what we call Miranda warnings. Okay.
The officer finds Marie already detained by store security, with family members present. Under Florida Statute 812.015, retail theft occurs when someone knowingly takes merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant. Petite theft under $750 is a misdemeanor. The officer documents the family's cooperation. The officer administers Miranda warnings, required by the Supreme Court before custodial interrogation. Marie acknowledges understanding and agrees to speak. Her immediate admission constitutes admissible evidence for any future proceedings.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened?
I was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look at my purse. I have nothing.
I'm going to. I'm going to search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright.
not used to doing all this, so I'm usually.
Yeah, state. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave them everything back. I have nothing.
It's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Or
Oh, no, ma'am, no.
Okay. All right, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just gonna put you there. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
You're fraud.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you face this one. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am
your
I getting
hands.
arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay? You have tiny wrists. I do like 324, like I have female detained. Alright. I'm gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting arrested?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can
So-
drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's
Anytime you don't live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like, if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we
If
could
you were from
just,
here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my
So-
grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond and she can get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she bonds
Until she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
I can't, we leave at 5:30, so I can't just limit this to your brothers and the rest of the family. Just did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her
Oh,
out, pick her
well,
up, but
no, they're gonna disown her after that. They're like heavy.
The critical issue emerges. Marie cannot receive a notice to appear because she's not a Florida resident. Florida law requires physical arrest for out-of-state suspects, removing officer discretion. The family's offer to use a local address cannot circumvent this requirement. The officer conducts a search incident to arrest, a constitutional exception to warrant requirements. She maintains professionalism while checking for weapons and securing property. These procedures protect both the department and arrestee. Marie expresses concern about her teaching career. Retail theft convictions have lasting consequences. Adult criminal records in Florida are permanent. This moment highlights how one decision impacts entire families.
Church people,
Alright.
they're not even gonna see.
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot vape.
That's not
So-
mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession. So I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
Yes, ma'am, I know.
you can be issued citation for that. And that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to.
I would say,
in.
and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's, you
We
know,
couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like say that.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma and be like, okay, well, we're not gonna reach you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in my damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so they don't get lost and messed up.
But you can't.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you please go on my phone and text her and tell me what's going to do?
I have other things for that for Sally.
Go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10-15.
How long is her booking?
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the paperwork
It's the
real quick.
end of the shift, so
Could she like follow us there?
I mean she can. She
You can't. She's still gonna have to wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork, and then you get there.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property, and when she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
This is gonna kill you.
The password is 8889.
And grandma's we are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? But I'm not gonna just let her sit there waiting?
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers back.
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
You
With
just
the
send her
time
a
I
link.
want to go ahead and.
Yeah, you can send her a link.
Huh?
Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will, but if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Okay.
The officer explains bail procedures. Bond is set at $500, with bondsman fees around $100. Processing takes several hours, regardless of how quickly bail posts. The officer provides transparent information about the process. During transport preparation, the officer secures property and provides jail information to the family. The 30-minute transport reflects Florida's jurisdiction layout. Her transparency exceeds minimum requirements.
Whose bag is
That's not ours.
not yours? Okay.
Well, yeah.
Well, let it be a lesson to learn from. We're gonna go all the way down to that next car.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until...
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know?
can fix my
Because
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to get elementary school teacher. It'll like affect my
Probably
career.
not.
It won't affect my career.
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
Use your
Is it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
So whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to
You
wait?
gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free in booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, it's hard.
Am I
I'll get the
gonna-
arrow one back here for you. Okay.
It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too. everything changed?
What?
They'll change her into like
A jumpsuit.
yeah, and
And
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID. Say look like a girl.
All right, I'll get the air going for you in just a
I already
second.
turned it
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Send the link before you take her off.
Yep.
You have the email, right?
Yeah.
I'll just send it to you too.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Just what I wanted when I'm tired as crap.
First-time offenders may qualify for pre-trial intervention programs, allowing charges dismissal after completing requirements. However, out-of-state defendants face additional challenges accessing these programs, requiring multiple Florida trips. The interaction concludes with transport to jail. Florida's mandatory arrest for non-residents, even with cooperative families present, raises policy questions. The multi-hour process significantly disrupts the family's travel plans. The case outcome remains unknown. Possible resolutions range from diversion programs to conviction with fines up to $1,000. First offense jail time is rare but legally possible up to 1 year. The officer receives B+ for professional conduct, proper procedures, and exceptional transparency. Marie gets C- for poor judgment, causing serious consequences. Though her cooperation provides mitigation, the family earns B for appropriate concern without confrontation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction content.